Halor ka jing dolat ki samla pule ban lej beteng biang ye ki jingpule ki bagi pule hajala Manipur namar ka jing kan at snam ha kate ka jilla ka blan ne menta la palat lai banai ye ka sarkar Meghalaya kala shim ka sen jam ban penya da ka jing kai online ha ki kos ba pher na ka banta ki ni samla habaya kran bekilat pathai kubor ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kanong ai kitien jong sarkar MDA2 kala ong bana kalyang ka sarkar lingbau menteri rang ba ka jillau Konrad ki sangma kala dap ban kran bat menteri ka sarkar preng ubri pej katanat kam rap ban le ai halor ka jing thot ki jing pule ki samla ki ba pule ha ki school ha kate ka jilla bakin la ban beteng ki jing pule jong ki klam da ban pun kun no siteng por
Sorry, that they are given accommodation again.
We have had a very detailed discussion with the Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture when we were in Delhi recently in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. We have correctly highlighted that it has become inconvenient for our students who are studying in the state of Manipur because of the prevalent situation in the state of Manipur, and we have requested that in the meanwhile we must make provisions for our students to continue their studies without uprooting them from the continuity of acquiring knowledge and becoming graduates in those fields of study. Government of India is well versed with this challenge and is going all out to make options available for students who are unable to travel to Manipur, where there are 2-3 centers of excellences in the field of education. We are on the job, and so far students who had approached me, I am told, have been relieved, and arrangements are being made either online or offline as well.